Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Ahkam in brief. What is halal to eat? The world is full of delicious foods and drinks. However, according to the Islamic laws, there are some types that we are not allowed to consume because it may harm the body or the soul. In this episode, we are going to talk about what we are and what we are not allowed to consume. First, we'll start with animal produce. For meat to be halal, there are two conditions. First, the meat should be of an animal that we are allowed to eat. That's what we are going to talk about here. Second, the animal should be slaughtered or hunted according to the Islamic laws. This topic will be discussed in details in a separate episode. We will divide the animals into four groups: terrestrial animals, birds, aquatic animals, and insects. The first group, terrestrial animals. What is permissible to eat in this group are domestic animals such as sheep, cows, and camels. Although it is permissible to eat horses, mules, and donkeys, it is deemed detestable. Of the wild animals or ones that live in nature, antelopes, deer, cows, rams, roe deer, and zebras are halal. However, it is prohibited to eat animals with tusks and predators with claws such as walrus, boar, lions, and foxes. Dogs, pigs, and cats, although considered domestic animals in some cultures, are not allowed to. Also prohibited are musukh animals, or literally transformed animals, such as monkeys, elephants, and bears, etc. All small animals that live underground such as mice, snakes, and hedgehogs are also prohibited. Lastly, rabbits and hares are also haram in the school of Ahlulbayt alayhimus salam.